Okay, here is a Blender project for you. You can download the files and play around with it. It's intended as a learning resource and as a document about noise making. It contains mostly shaders or materials, mainly using procedural techniques to get abstract shapes like this. You can change shape, color, grain, distort, plug images into it. Maybe you just want to hallucinate for a bit or do a DJing session. It's up to you. You have two main spaces. One is the viewer, where you see the models, and the other one is the shader editor, where once you select a model, you can see nodes and tweak things. The material has basically a noise texture plugged into an emission channel. Color ramps are used to create contrast and colors. We are distorting the noise with a technique called domain warping. There is beautiful math I don't understand behind this. You can check Inigo Quiles' document about this. I'll link it in the description. The idea is you take the vector of a noise and mix it with another noise. You can directly plug a noise into the vector of another, or do this with a mix RGB node. I highly recommend doing this with photos. It's great. And of course, you can animate all of this. On the bottom, you have the timeline and you add keyframes by pressing I. You have to select the nodes in order to see the keyframes. And that's it. I hope you have fun. You can download the files on my Kofi page, follow me on social media, buy my game Boredom, invite me for coffees, and if you create something with it, send it. I would be happy to see what you come up with. Until the next one.